Tenveo 4K PTZ-Kamera-Bundle Review: Why AI Tracking Changed Professional Multi-Camera Forever. You've been managing live streams with one camera, constantly repositioning it to capture different angles, missing key moments, and feeling like your production looks amateur compared to professional setups with multiple fixed cameras. My friend finally admitted he spent entire Sundays manually switching between camera angles using multiple devices simultaneously. Does that frantic juggling act while trying to focus on actually hosting an event sound painfully familiar right now? Here's what that single camera limitation actually costs you over time. You wrestle with brain fog, trying to manually pan and zoom while tracking speakers moving unpredictably around the stage. The mounting pressure builds when you realize your streams look flat and static compared to competitors with proper multi-camera coverage. You've tried adding extra cameras, but then faced cable chaos, synchronization headaches, and overly complicated control systems that demanded expertise you simply don't have yet. There has to be a smarter, integrated way. Then everything changed when I discovered the Tenveo 4K NDI PTZ camera bundle, and suddenly professional multi-camera production became genuinely accessible to anyone. Don't just pick any multi-camera system. Make sure it has built-in AI auto-tracking with a unified quad-screen joystick controller, so you never waste time manually repositioning cameras or juggling multiple control devices again. The Tenveo bundle includes 4 4K PTZ cameras with 20 times optical zoom, a 7-inch controller displaying all 4 feeds simultaneously, a professional video switcher, and a PoE network switch. Everything arrives as one integrated system designed to work together flawlessly from day one. The AI auto-tracking locks onto presenters automatically, keeping them framed perfectly even when they move across the stage unpredictably. One production director told me she was nervous about switching from her traditional fixed multi-camera setup until she realized the Tenveo system automated 70% of her manual camera work, cutting her technical crew from 3 people to 1 confident operator handling everything. Let me be honest, the setup requires proper network configuration to truly shine, but once running, it's almost magical how the joystick feels responsive and the quad-screen preview keeps you in complete control. What comes next transforms how you think about live production scaling. The daily production experience shifts dramatically once AI-powered cameras and unified control become your standard instead of a luxury only major broadcasters could afford regularly. Morning services flow more smoothly when the system automatically tracks your pastor without constant manual adjustment consuming your focus throughout the live stream. Evening live events capture dramatic angles and smooth transitions that would previously require multiple dedicated camera operators working in perfect synchronization across the entire broadcast. Network engineers confirmed that when properly configured with gigabit PoE and dedicated VLAN for video traffic, the system delivers stable NDI streaming with sub-100 millisecond latency, performance matching systems costing 3 times more than this bundle. Real production teams report that the quad-screen controller transformed their workflow by showing all camera feeds simultaneously instead of switching between separate monitor displays throughout the show. One church streamer mentioned that auto-tracking alone eliminated the stress of manually hunting for presenters moving unpredictably, letting him focus entirely on production pacing and switcher transitions instead of camera positioning. You might worry about the technical complexity of NDI configuration and network setup overhead. Professional integrators confirm that while initial setup requires expertise, the included PoE switch and controller design make ongoing operation remarkably intuitive for non-technical operators after basic training. Which benefit matters most in your production environment? Multi-camera coverage without hiring extra technical staff? AI tracking that responds faster than human manual control, or the unified joystick interface that reduces mental load during live events. Trust builds gradually when you see consistent performance across services, conferences, and streaming events consistently. See why thousands of production teams refuse to go back to single camera setups after experiencing professional coverage and control. The Tenveo 4K NDI PTZ camera bundle delivers what fragmented multi-camera systems and expensive custom integrations cannot. 4 professional 4K cameras, AI auto-tracking, unified quad-screen control, and a video switcher arriving as one pre-engineered system designed to work together from day one. Thousands of production teams, churches, and broadcast professionals are already using it daily to create professional quality multi-camera productions without hiring additional technical staff. Results may vary based on network configuration and venue setup. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Click through and explore how complete multi-camera systems actually simplify your production workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.